that we have been seeing here. First of all, the organizer taking us through history, recording the memory of John Paul II, Pope St. John Paul II, and Pope Benedict. As Francis now arrives on the stage, the joy of these young people is very palpable. The stage is filled with young people. This was at the request of the Pope himself. The Holy Father wanted especially to meet the young people and just show them that the church is for them. The church is made for them. I think part of the appeal of World Youth Day is precisely the kind of creative and welcoming joy and joyous environment that we are seeing and hearing if you are following us on radio. Members from different places, but all belonging to one body, that is the church. Very, very powerful images indeed there on your screen. World Youth Day has come a long history, as we just saw in the video. This week is not an isolated event, but rather the fruit of a dream of Pope St. John Paul II. It all started after two successful international gatherings with young people in Rome in 1984 and 1985. Then Pope St. John Paul was inspired to institutionalize the periodic observance of World Youth Day in December of 1985. God of glory. Pope Francis on the stage now, and a festive choreography to the sound of the song Joyful, Joyful. The song is interpreted by singer Mimi Frois. joyful performing there for Pope Francis to mark the start of this welcome ceremony, the official welcome ceremony